Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Hey, if you guys are new to my channel, this is pretty much what I do. I like to take you shopping with me because it's always fun to have a friend with you when you go shopping. And I like to show my condo and, of course, my little puppies. Today I'm participating in a collaboration which is being hosted by Sonia at Multifaceted Me. And if you're not familiar with her channel, please go check her out because she does amazing work. And what she has asked us to do is basically mimic a designer that influences us. So I have a sweet friend, I know everybody knows her, my sweet friend Carol. I love her, I talk about her all the time. Her name is Carol, her channel is Inspired By, and we help each other out all the time. She just really helps me out. Every time I have a question about anything, she is right there for me and she helps guide me and everything like that. And she's like a sister to me. So for example, this is her couch and well, I tried to mimic it and yeah, here's my couch. The differences is she is a huge DIYer. So she actually made this console table. Can you believe it? Well, here is mine. I just bought it from Wayfair. So this woman just blows my mind. Here's her little eggs that she made that were Z Gallery inspired. And well, I went to Ross and I just bought some eggs from Ross. So anyway, she's just amazing. If you're not familiar with her, please go check her out. So I hope I do her proud in this video. I'm going to try and mimic her style and combine it with mine, which is very similar as you can tell. And so I bought this bowl from Ross. I got that for it was a while ago. I don't know, several months ago. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some my Ross eggs in there. Now, this is something that I know that she's so super jealous of. I have the bunny that I found it at Pier 1. I know she absolutely loves it, and I hope she goes to get it soon because it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, in the morning when the light comes in the door, it just sparkles all over the house. I just love that thing, and I know she will too. And these little candle holders, she has a bowl that is exactly like it, same exact style. Hers is a bowl, and I found the candle holders at Ross. So I'm going to go ahead and put those up because she loves her candles. And we actually have this exact same egg. It's so fun. I love it. So anyway, I thought I would just go ahead and put that there as well. And I'm kind of a minimalist, so I don't have a lot of stuff all over the place. And I really hope that I did her proud. Of course, there are so many amazing creators out there in YouTube land and absolutely love their style. We're all influenced by everybody that we see. And it's just so fun to watch everybody's creativity come together and see how they transform their homes into the beautiful places that they are now. So anyway, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like what I did. And thank you so much, Sonia, for hosting this collaboration. It's been a lot of fun and I can't wait till the next one.